Welcome. I'm Matthew Behringer.
And I'm Erica Morrison.
And we're part of the Lifetime Client Group with Keller Williams Flagship of Maryland. Today we want to share with you our newest listing at 7758 Anvil Stone Lane. We're in the Tanyard Shores community in Glen Burnie, and this is truly one of our favorite communities because both Erica and I have decided to live here. Erica, tell me what you love about this community.
Well, what I most fell in love with was the aesthetics of the community. This community has a look and feel like no other in the entire Anne Arundel County. But what I'm most excited about will be our soon-to-be finished pier, kayak storage, and waterfront beach.
I'm very excited about the waterfront amenities that will be coming this year. And what I'm also love is that we have so much to offer already. We have a dog park, we have a dog washing station, we have outdoor areas with tot lot, there's hiking, we have an awesome harbor house, which is our community center. It features a gym, a yoga studio, and there's also an entertainment area. We have the swimming pool, which has an outdoor grill area. There's just so many things for the residents here to enjoy. Of all the things that we have, Erica, what's your favorite part about Tanyard Shores?
The people.
We do live in a great community. We live in a great community where neighbors become friends. But I want to invite you today to 7758 Anvil Stone. Enough about the community. You really want to take a look at this gorgeous house. Today we're featuring Lennar's Elegant model, which was actually the first model to sell out. It's a very high demand model. You can see we're standing in the rear kitchen, which is my favorite option. But I want to invite you to take a look around. So take a look around and let us know what you think.
So, what did you think? Me, I personally loved it. Matt?
If you think that this home and this community might be the right fit for you, call or text us for the fastest response.